Hey everybody, this is your boy Neil with Gaza Performance Garage. Today, I'm just gonna inform you on the fix that I did on the LEXUS with the bad fuel pump ECU. Apparently that is a problem. It is a thing that gradually depletes whenever it's going bad. You will never have any idea when it's about to go. The bad symptoms that I had with the E.C.U was every time I went to the gas station, turn the car off, the fuel up, it would give me a hard time starting back up. And then you floor the gas and it bogs down. It's not getting enough fuel. Also, the car shuts off and runs for 4 seconds and shuts right off. Then 2-3 hours down the road, you try it again, it comes right back up. So with that said, it's probably like a overheating issue whenever it's going bad. But all in all, right now the car is running very well. I am glad I took the time out to show you how to fix this problem with the car. Today I switched up the rear shoes on my car. Yeah. Okay. Those over there, those were on the car. Excuse the noise. It's kind of loud with the AC unit. There we go. These were the tires that were on the rear of the car. As you can see, the Macho tires, they're very hardy tires. I have no complaints about them. They do very well when it comes to wet traction. I never had an issue with hydroplaning or slipping in a wet condition. These tires on a whole, from a scale of 1 to 10, the Machos, and this is my honest opinion on these tires. I am not paid to say or do this thing. This is just how I feel. Honest opinion on these tires, 1 out of 10, I give it a 8.5. These tires are excellent. 8.5 is really good. 8.5 is really good. So if you ask me, will I use these tires again? Oh heck yeah, I'll use them again. So right now I have my Federals on the back of the car. They're slightly on the wide status, and I do have some fender rubbing problems, but that's not going to stop me from rolling. I roll. When I roll, nothing is going to stop me. So it looks very aggressive, as you can see. Beautiful wheel. I tell you what, I will always get me some Circuit Performance wheels, the CP32s by Circuit Performance. These rims are really hot looking. Here we go. Mr. Lexus is just chilling in the garage. Yep, just mopped the floor here in the garage. Being it's a much clearer color on the floor, it shows dirt very easy, but being a clean freak, I really don't mind doing a cleanup on this. So guys, this is just an update on what's happening with the car. I will have some content coming for you later on next week. I will be replacing the fuel pump on a 1998 BMW 528i, commonly known as the E39, and I will be doing also the CV shafts, and the rear shock absorbers. So stay tuned for this. This is your boy Neil with Gaza Performance. I really appreciate you coming in here and viewing my channels. All of you guys that pulled me up off the ground, reaching to 83. 83 is amazing. 83 is amazing. I like that. I love it. I appreciate it. And thank you for giving me the thumbs up on my videos. That's some love you guys showing me. So with that said, guys, thank you for viewing Gaza Performance Garage. This is your boy Neil, and please remember to be safe. Have a great week.